unleashing the power of ChatGPT, quirky ways to use the language model. Welcome to our video on the many uses of ChatGPT, the powerful language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we'll explore some of the more quirky and creative ways to use ChatGPT, as well as tips on how to write copy that has a twist using this tool. First, let's take a look at some of the unique ways to use ChatGPT. For example, you can use it to generate poetry or song lyrics, create fictional conversations between historical figures, or even generate alternative endings for books or movies. But how do you write creative copy with a twist using ChatGPT? The key is to use prompts that challenge the model to think outside the box. Experiment with different combinations of words and phrases in your prompts and play with the model's temperature setting to get more unexpected responses. So, what's the best use for ChatGPT? It can be used for text generation for creative writing, generating responses in chatbots, summarizing long documents, language translation, and even generate social media and marketing campaign content. As you can see, the possibilities with ChatGPT are endless. So get creative and see what unique and quirky ways you can use this powerful language model. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful in unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified about our latest video.